Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Download both x86 and x64 Visual C++ 2015 redistributables, because many apps require one or the other. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current and reboot if updates are pending so system files aren't locked. Then temporarily disable third-party antivirus and Windows Defender real-time scanning. This prevents installer files from being quarantined. These steps avoid common blockers and let the installer modify system libraries cleanly so the next actions succeed. Now run each installer as administrator. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator to grant necessary privileges. While installers run, open services. MSC and Confirm Windows Installer and RPC services are set to automatic and running. Installers fail when those are stopped. If an installer reports missing or corrupt system components, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano. These commands repair component store and file integrity. Once the services and system files are healthy, retry the finish by rebooting, re-enable your antivirus, and test the application that required Visual C++ 2015. If the install still fails, uninstall any older Visual C++ 2015 entries from programs and features, then reinstall both x86 and x64 packages. Conflicting versions can block upgrades. For one key troubleshooting tip, capture the installer log or check Event Viewer for specific result or error codes. Those codes tell you whether the failure is permission, file corruption, or dependency related, and they point to the exact next fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.